The home of tricks. We a good news from one of our forgotten projects, Time. This particular project no a drop update bi am pese checking it out. Nti obi biara wo project we mu a ujaye no sanko project no mu. Se o launch project no na ba ha ya. Wo head down on my options na wo no no ne wallet no oboso a. Who say hi say no oma add withdraw button and senior who say oma ben bibi our project we say o take part and a wagaya sanko mu na fa ne marketing kiti bi edi agro oba tax ya obehu say tax bebre e wo hi say a obetumi perform who say me ba project mu ache ti e wo say wo hwe na wo yes a ne ma ni nyina na odi increase tokens say ne be ya ne ma pa efiri ma also obetumi enjoy. Now the next project I'm say checking it out is DurovCaps way. This particular project no every blessed day bi an omo unlock omo tax na ba ako na say no ya duru day 4 nti options na down high say no say obo do wa no so a e do ba na bo question mark no so a ubu say high say no ya ye day 1 day 2 day 3 say o follow me a minim say so aye o de na day 4 no de obo ha ya nya de say obehu available e wa ha obehu enter o de ane say obebo so Uboso na said over here no enter code na mebebo no 4775 nti o enter na kama say we pay na wabo check button no so nti if it is done right we say be bad na say akala day a 5 day na ye be ye eno so nti udi ane say obi stay tuned e drop pay mo aya we na so atumi aye ode na ne ma pa bia ewu ma e be ba no ye so nyina yatimi enjoy and one thing so say every blessed day bia robetumi aba ha na obebo share story no so nti bo say e do ba here na asa abo share story no so nti wan share kra na baba ka bo say get button be active a oboso a obese anya 50 tokens abeka tokens no ho ense say o ma tokens we so e fa okon ho. Now the next update am pese make kasa fa ho e CPEN. This particular project na make ho asem no yenim dada say every 24 hours bia no oba ya no bo start button no so na ashase na e generate tokens no e ma ho nti ohwa mako 7 day streak and a streak dudu bia obeko bia no omo obu no so a omo de ma ho nti eye say every blessed day bia we active e this particular project no mu na mpese check update na aban out nti se me bot tax no so a obetumi say update no through omo tax a o high say no nti se me boss so a ubon say edeme aba update no nti hwe ya was important announcement for the CPEN network community. Pen mining will conclude in late February with token distribution following in March. Exact date to be announced soon. To be eligible for distribution, you must 1. Complete KYC verification. My video about that. Register your BSC wallet address. My video about that. Note, failure to complete these steps will result in forfeit of your pen tokens. Which means steps we need be a adding bia. Into the number I say na say obo wallet no so. Na say ohu say wallet no enshima na say oyanye wo de. I say video na me kire sa na ma na ewom no ohwe sa video no. E na say obo menu button so. Na ohwe na say KYC no nyanye verified na say senior onyanye wo de. E no so so kohwe video na me kire sa na ma ni nyina ewom no. Say na be ya bibia betumi fine amount. More updates ebe drop it. O de ane say obe like video no because I know say very important. I use your tech the home of tricks.